Welcome back. Hey there, little learners. Today, we are going to learn the addition table of 2. Are you ready to count and add with me? Let's go. Addition table of 2, 1 by 1. 2 plus 1 equals what? Think. Two plus 1 equals 3. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3. Great job. 2 plus 2 equals what? Think. Two plus 2 equals 4. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're doing awesome. 2 plus 3 equals what? Think. Two plus 3 equals 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High five. 2 plus 4 equals what? Think. Two plus 4 equals 6. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're getting it. 2 plus 5 equals what? Think. Two plus 5 equals 7. Count it loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Woohoo! 2 plus 6 equals what? Think. Two plus 6 equals 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, you're a math star. 2 plus 7 equals what? Think. Two plus 7 equals 9. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nice and easy. Well done. 2 plus 8 equals what? Two plus 8 equals 10. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You did it. 2 plus 9 equals what? Think. Two plus 9 equals 11. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You've got this. Awesome. 2 plus 10 equals what? Think. Two plus 10 equals 12. Big one. Let's count all the way to 12. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yay! That's the whole table of 2. Amazing work, friends. You just mastered the addition table of 2. Now you can practice it every day and become a math master. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun with numbers. See you next time.